If you're thinking about buying an Audi, this video might save you thousands of dollars, because while Audi builds some of the most beautiful, luxurious, and fun-to-drive cars, some models are absolute nightmares with problems so expensive that even Audi technicians warn people to stay away. But don't worry, I'm not just here to scare you. For every terrible Audi, there's also a bulletproof hidden gem that runs for hundreds of thousands of miles with proper care. So today, we're breaking down the 3 worst Audis you should avoid at all costs, and the 3 best Audis you should consider instead. Let's start with the disasters. The 3 worst Audi models to avoid. 1. Audi A4B8. If there's one Audi engine that mechanics call the wallet destroyer, it's the early 2 TFSI found in A4 models from the B8 generation. Big problems: massive oil consumption, sometimes a quart every 300-400 miles, piston ring failure, timing chain tensioner failures, PCV system breakdowns, carbon buildup on intake valves, repairs often exceeding $5,000, $8,000. Owners describe it as a ticking time bomb, especially once mileage climbs above 100k miles. Why to avoid it? Even after Audi issued service campaigns, thousands of engines failed again. It's simply not worth the risk. 2. Audi Q7. The first-gen Q7 is a fantastic SUV to drive, but one of the most expensive to maintain. The worst issues: air suspension failure, timing chain located on the back of the engine requires engine out service, turbo failures, oil leaks from everywhere, cooling system failures, electrical nightmares due to overcomplicated modules. A single timing chain service? $7,000? $10,000 plus? This is the SUV that turns great deal listings into financial horror stories within months. 3. Audi A6 C6. This generation is infamous among Audi mechanics. Common failures: carbon buildup every 50k miles, timing chain stretch, water pump failures, intake manifold runner failures, oil consumption, electronics that love to die in the worst moment. Even well-maintained cars can suddenly need a $6,000, $9,000 timing chain job. Why? It's one of the worst. Perfect example of German engineering being too smart for its own good. The 3 best Audi models to buy. 1. Audi A4B7. One of the most dependable Audis ever made as long as you avoid the earliest oil burner years. Why? It's great. Simple, durable engine, manual transmission option, quattro system that lasts, reasonable maintenance, parts are cheap, doesn't have the chain-related disasters of later generations. You can easily see these go 200,000, 300,000 miles with sensible maintenance. 2. Audi A6 C7. A truly underrated gem. Why mechanics love it? 3. Supercharged V6 is extremely reliable. Strong ZF 8-speed transmission. Minimal carbon buildup. No catastrophic oil consumption. Suspension lasts longer than expected. Doesn't have the chain issues of previous V6 engines. This is the sweet spot. Modern, powerful, comfortable without the nightmare repairs. 3. Audi S4B85. One of the rare performance luxury cars you can buy without fear. Why? It's one of the best. Legendary 3 TFSI engine. Rock solid DSG. S-tronic. After updates. Bulletin fixes resolved early issues. Strong cooling system. Reliable electronics. Enthusiasts supported with huge community knowledge. Owners frequently report these cars going 250k plus miles with proper care. Audi reliability isn't black and white. It's about choosing the right engine and the right generation. Some models will drain your bank account faster than you can say quattro, and others will deliver years of reliable luxury and performance. Which Audi model do you think is the most overrated or underrated? Tell me in the comments. I read everyone. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more real-world car guides.